Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you're highly welcome. In today's video, I have a beautiful remedy for you if you are the type of person that you are trying to regrow your eyebrow. The remedy I'm going to be showing today will help you to grow your eyebrow without stopping. By the time when you start using this remedy, your eyebrow will grow, will never stop growing. It will make it shiny, it will make it long and smooth and more fuller. So we need this. I normally mix it with this, so you can get something like this. Okay, so we need argan oil. Okay, excuse me guys, so it contains a lot of vitamins that will help you to grow your hair. Putting argan oil alone to your hair scalp will grow your hair as well. So putting it in your eyebrow, we thicker your eyebrow, we make the eyebrow shine and long and give it a lot of volume. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to mix the one. So you need a quarter. As you guys, you can see, this is a good argan oil. So it's called argan oil serum. So you need to get a quarter of argan oil serum. Okay, it has to be serum. So you need a quarter of argan serum. Argan serum, okay, it's for hair and it's also good for your eyebrow. So, and we're going to need the walnuts. It's gone. Walnuts, what does not walnuts does, it make hair fuller, it regrows the hair, so it gets rid of the dandruff. Walnut also is good for dandruff. So if you are going to be using it for your eyebrow, it's going to make it shine, it's going to fuller it. I don't know why this one doesn't want to wait. Grow faster, it will make it dark and shine. Try it guys. Okay, so you need a quarter of teaspoon. So consistency is the key. Okay guys, so this should last you at least for a week. So I prefer apply this every night when I'm going to bed. Okay, you can try the same method, apply it when you are going to bed at night and you continue to use it. Okay guys, it's a straightforward remedy. You don't have to add anything, you don't have to exclude anything. So it's argan serum and walnut oil. They are both rich in vitamins and all the vitamins that our hair, our scalp needs. So continue to use it and this will help you to grow your hair speedily, faster. And you just apply it and you massage it deeper. So try to use it twice or once a day. So if you are going to use it in the morning, maybe you should just use a tiny bit and leave it maybe for 15 minutes and just use a tea towel. Okay, excuse me again. If you are going to be using it in the morning shower, okay, if you are going to be using it in the morning, when you apply it first thing when you wake up, just massage it to the root of your eyebrow. Continue to massage it for 2 minutes or 1 minute and massage it. You can see circular motion, massage it and just leave it for 20 to 15 minutes. Don't raise it with any local water. Just get a dry towel or any kitchen towel or any tissue, and you apply your eyebrow, you're good to go. If this helps you, continue to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Bye for now.